another episode of World Dance Workout with Olga and Mireille. On this episode, we're going to be showing you another folkloric style of Persian traditional dance called Bandari. Bandari is a very upbeat, very high energy cardio style dance, and there's a lot of hand shaking, and these hands generally represent tambourines. So see, we have our coins here, hands are going to be shaking, so again, Bandari with lots of shaking tambourine hands, all right? Here we go. Okay, so as promised, we're going to break down the steps without music first, and then we're going to put them to music. The very first thing we're going to do, you're going to take your tambourine hands and we're going to shake it forward, up, left, right. If you want, you can go right, left, totally up to you, doesn't matter. So again, and we're going to rock forward, 1, 2, 3, back 2, 3, side 2, 3, side 2, 3. We're going to do this 4 times in the beginning, all right? After we've shaken it out, you are going to cross your hands, place them on your, one is on your hip, one is on that crown again, and you're going to bounce, bounce. So 1, 2, bounce, bounce, cross, and shoulder, shoulder. Right? So in our previous video on Persian dance, we talked about the importance and the intricacies of pretty hand movements, grace, posture. So keeping all of that in mind for this number as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shoulder, shoulder. I'm going to swing my left foot back and repeat the same thing on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shoulder, shoulder. Okay, we're going to do that 4 times, alternating left, right, left, right. After we've done that, we're going to repeat a step that you may have remembered from our previous dance, the show me your ring step. So again, if you haven't seen that video, we're going to take our feet forward, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rotating your hip outwards, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to layer pretty hands on top of those hips, and one hand is going to come to your crown, the other is looking at your ring, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2 of those. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to go to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to start with your right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This time you're going to show me your eyes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I wanted to just mention this movement that we're doing, going sideways with the hip. Notice we're not just walking, we're lifting the hip. So when I step with my left, my hip goes up. When I bring it in, the hip comes down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right? Last step, back to your tambourines. We're going to take it to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music.